Good morning on a Friday. Math Investigation 8 is about bisecting, cutting in half. Thank you guys for working so hard this week, especially yesterday. We had lots of stuff going on. But this, I'm going to give you the whole weekend to do it. And it's not an assignment from the book. It is an assignment from the book. What I want you to do isn't from the book. Let's quickly learn about bisecting, which means cutting in half. Now, if you're going to make a 90-degree angle just off the cuff, you can get pretty close. If I'm trying to cut something in half, I can get pretty close, but without an actual measurement with a ruler or something else, it's hard to do. Okay, I could use a tool like this, but imagine we go back years and years to like the ancients, like the Aztecs and those guys. Now, they were making buildings that had 90-degree angles. So how in the world were they doing that? Well, believe it or not, they could do it with things that made circles. Here are two forms of compass. All right, we got this kind, we got this kind. This kind, we stick it in the middle like this, and I get that right. Oh, I broke it. Oh no. All right, I'm gonna hang with it. So you stick that in the middle, you go around, you do your whole circle. You guys know how that works, right? I'm gonna use this one, okay? Now this one, we've used in class before. If I put a little dot here, all right, and I put the little X on there, and I swing this thing around like that. I can make circles like that, right? What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about bisecting a line and making 90-degree angles out of it. So let's say I have two dots. I got one here, and I got one here. I could stretch a line across them before I had, rulers, but we'll just make a nice line. Actually, I'm going to go in the middle of the paper. I can see it. All right. Now we're going to find halfway in between these two and make a 90-degree angle with a circle maker, a compass. What I need to do is I need to set it beyond what I know halfway is. So I'm going to use that one. There's the two holes. And do this. Just swing it up like that, just so it goes past the halfway point. And swing it down like that. As long as I know it went past wherever the halfway point is going to be. Then I just take it without changing it. I take it and I stick it the base on that side, and I just swing it enough to cross on the top and cross at the bottom. Look what I made. Where this crosses and where this crosses, if I connect those with my straight line, again, the ancients could just pull the rope across, I've just created a distance of exactly halfway from there to there, right there, and I formed a 90-degree angle, okay? Now, what I would like you guys to do sometime this weekend is to do this out in nature somewhere, in the dirt, in the sand, with chalk on a sidewalk. And the way you could do it is make your third compass by tying two things together. You could do two sticks in the sand with a rope in between. What you need to do is make two dots wherever you're going to do it. Pull a line across so that you make your straight line. Then tie two together and swing them. Now, I would have to make this one a little shorter. Okay. Swing them across like that. This is a terrible example. And like that. And then pull your line in between there to form your line. okay? That, again, wasn't very good, but you get the idea, right? If you get two sticks tied together with a rope and people on both sides pulling it and so on, this is called bisecting a line. All right? Have fun with it.